isdigit. We already explained it, isdigit method in the previous lessons. Isdigit, it basically means that if your password not containing the numbers here, right, you could print out this. This means that your string or text should contain the digit, the numbers here, but we are giving that not condition here. We will print what? We will print, no, before I take, we will print out, make sure your password has only numbers. Then I will give another condition, else, otherwise print me you have entered the following. You have entered the following password, right? Just type in the password itself and type in what, like done. If I click Alt Enter, first it should print what, the text field here. Just a minute, it will not print anything. Why? Just check it, kill it and run it again. Just a minute. Yes, it will print out the password here, but we haven't called it with function. Just stay tuned. I will do it with function here. I will add it. First I will type in 3 characters here. I want to print out this condition here. If our password is less than 4, it will print out the result. Click enter. Password is too short, QWE is not allowed because it is less than 4 characters. That's why it just prints out the first condition here, and even does not allow other conditions to work. If I run it again, just a minute, run it again. Yes, I will include what, I will type in more than 4 characters and click run. It should give me this one, because our password should also contain the numbers here. Just a minute, sometimes it has the problem with loading or outputting the, just kill it and run it again. Click enter. You could see that make sure your password has only numbers, and after this one it again says that you should make sure that your password has only numbers. You could even add what here, continue, give me the output here, continue. Click enter. You will see the result is the same. But if I type in only the numbers and the numbers length will be more than 4 and click enter, you can see that it will print out you have entered the following password 1 2 3 2 4 and done. It has accepted the statement here. You could even surround it with what, with the function, because I want to call it with function define prompt, and here I will call it this function name like prompt. For now it will not be called. If I run it, it will not call it because we haven't called it here, like this one. You'll see that it will not call it. First, yes, we have a position error here. We could copy it and click on the tab and run it again. it will not bring anything because we haven't called this one. And then we will call this one here and run it. You could see it will work. After this one, you could even break your code here. Click enter. Just a minute. Again, run it. Type in something here and click alt enter. It will say that you have entered the following password, this password, and done. That yes, you have met our requirement, and we have stopped what or conditions here, if else statements here. One simple trick we already, I don't know if I have explained it in the previous lesson, that the idea behind f strings you should know. F strings provide convenient way to embed Python expressions inside string literals. Let's see that if I type in the f here before these brackets, and then inside of this I will delete this one, these quotes. I will just surround our variable with these curly brackets, and then delete these quotes again. Click enter. If I type into something and run it, you will see that our code will work again with these curly brackets here. It's an easy way of working with variables and text combined. You could just surround it with these curly brackets, delete all these quotes, right? And then you could do what? These ones, you could just pass it f here before these quotes and run it. In order to print out this statement, I will have to run it 3 characters and click enter. No, it hasn't printed it out. Why? Because I have this type of error here. I have included all these. I will have to delete these ones and run it again. Kill it, run it. 3 characters, click enter. It has printed our password here. I haven't noticed it. Just a minute. I will check it again. No. ISA, click enter. Yes, ISA is printed out. That's not a problem. And one more thing, let's see that I have x and make simple calculation here. Inside is this one, I have an input, and here I just type in enter what? X, and here I have y, and it also surrounded with input, and inside of this I will type in enter y colon, and here I can do what? I can sum x plus y, and now I can print out the result as I have explained with f and quotes addition of x of this curly bracket x and curly brackets y is sum, right? If I click enter, first kill it. Oh, I have a problem here. What's the problem? No, don't pay attention to this one. Yes, and if I just type it here and run it, first it says me that print out the enter x. I will type in 2 and click enter y 4, enter, and it would give me the result that addition of 2 and 4 is 6. And this is the basic terminology of input. I think that was pretty useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Stay tuned. Bye.